Okay, another episode cooking out in the desert using the propane stove in my travel trailer. Okay, if you don't have chopped meat, what I do is I always have frozen hamburgers in the freezer, and just chop that up, to make your chopped meat. And then all I do is get, have the small can of, and that's one burger. And then just a small can of tomato sauce. Yeah, so the burger was actually a Black Angus, so they're expensive. They're like $1.50, even the frozen ones. But you can get cheap frozen burgers. And then 50 cents for a can of tomato sauce. And then what I do is I add a little spicing. Some salt. Let's just say, I don't know, teaspoon of salt. And then I do the Italian method. The Italians love to use cinnamon, ground cinnamon. So I add ground cinnamon, not much, well, half a teaspoon maybe. Then I add sugar. So we'll put in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just add that in there. Okay, my camera is all messed up. I had to reset it. And now everything that's white is black, and everything that's black is white. They had me reset the factory, and everything's screwed up now. Okay, so anyway, everything's gonna look kind of weird in this video. Okay, so we're gonna, and I would actually add a little water to this too, because we just cooked up the hamburger. That's all cooked, and now all we have to do really is just cook up the tomato sauce and let the spices cook in there. And I would add, like I say, a little water and simmer it for 10 minutes. And now you got your sloppy Joe mix and a very healthy meal. And then I just get out the hamburger buns and put this right on the hamburger buns. And then also I put grated cheese on there. Let me see. Okay. Then on top of that, when it comes out, I just get some grated cheese, Parmesan grated cheese, and sprinkle that on top of that. Or you could even put a slice of cheese on top of, when you put it on your bun, your hamburger bun, or bread, your favorite bread. This really is good on that, just about anything, and it's that quick and easy. Now this is good enough for at least 2 people, and it costs like $2, so $1 per serving. But like I say, you can get really cheap frozen hamburgers. I like that, really, the Black Angus. They're just unbelievably delicious. They're not real tough, when you cook them. Where the real cheap frozen burgers, they're, it's like eating leather kind of thing, So anyway, so you could bring the price down from $1 per person to, probably 50 cents, maybe. So anyway, that's all. Like I say, the Italians like to use their cinnamon and sugar in their sauce mixes for spaghetti and everything else. It's one of those tricks that a lot of people don't tell you what they're actually adding. Cinnamon and sugar. Just like if you're putting it on toast. Cinnamon and sugar is really good. A little salt, and that's a simple meal. You don't have to be any gourmet cook. Like I say, my camera is is turning all the colors in reverse, because this is a dark frying pan, and it's showing it as white. Anyway, I thought you'd like to see another inexpensive way. You can do this right over a campfire very easily. I have my frying pan right here, which has the super long handle on it. It's for cooking over the fireplace. That one's from the 1800s and still working great. But it's late now, it's nighttime, and I just wanted to do it over the stove. But if you're looking to save on propane heat and you got plenty of wood like I do, you just do this very simply over the fireplace. Okay, I think that's about it. Just another cooking episode out in the Sonoran Desert. It's Eagle Eric signing off.